Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewers, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my garden. For those that are new, my name is Stephen Chin, and on my channel I promote backyard farming. So today I'm gonna build a raised bed on legs due to the fact that I have so many seedlings, and I have a small space, so you have to use the space efficiently. So I'm gonna create another box into a space. Let me show you. There's a little space over here. See here, from here to here, and I'm going to create a box with some old wood that I have from a discarded box. Right, I'm gonna create a box here, and as I said, I have some seedlings. So I have some seedlings here that I have to transplant shortly. So I have some kale, celery. I think I'm gonna use it more for the celery. See, they're coming up already. But this is my yard. This is my garden. You see, every space I'm trying to use, grow in buckets, containers, direct planting in the soil. See, so I try to use the space efficiently. And actually here there's no space for the celery, but I realized that I can plant them over here, so I'm gonna create a box. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see, I have some wood here. It's a 1x6 very hard wood that I got, and that is what I will use for the bottom. I also went and picked up some garden soil, which I will mix with compost to fill the box, and also some grass. Gonna make some grass clippings which I will mix in. So let's go. So it's super hot today. Yes, super hot, but nonetheless we will do this. So I have my tools, my power saw, yeah. So I'm gonna take the measurements. So this is, let's say 20 inch there. Yeah, so we hold it on 20, and the length, I'll take it from the 20 to 4 feet. Say 5 feet. So let me see, I need these for the legs. I have some underneath there. You know, it starts to rain. So this one, you have to cut it to 4 feet. This is 6 feet. So just 1 feet too much. I don't want to waste that. So let me see if I can squeeze it in that corner. Let's see. Yes, we can squeeze it in. The only thing is that this box is a little bit too much inside and I cannot take it off. So if I take from here 20, I will end up in here. So I'm gonna cut here shorter than the front, so the box will not have the same measurements at the back as at the front. Okay, so we're gonna put the 6 feet right here. This is screwed, so I'm gonna take all the screws, and then we have this. We can cut it accordingly. So hot, sweating like crazy. So this is one of the benefits of backyard gardening. You get some physical activity because this sweating is so good. You just have to make sure you hydrate, you drink enough water. Yes, so now I've taken out this, so I'm gonna cut this part accordingly in the back. Actually, yes, I do will have to. I actually don't have to. No. Okay. So we start to put both legs, one there and one there, and then we will mount it, and after we will continue the process. So here I have the legs, so I'm going to put this now here, and then I will put it out, then put out the other legs over there, and then yeah, we go from there. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, we're getting there. Even though we're getting there, even the sun is so hot. So we just have to put one here, and then the bottom one in the corner there, and then we're good to go. So it's going good, it's going great. So I start to put the bottom, just a little piece more to go, and then we have here on the side and there in the corner. It's going great, people, very great. So I'm almost finished, so I have to close here. This is it. Another piece here. So I'm gonna finish it up now. It's going good. Do you like it? If you like it, give me a like on this video, please. Comment, say yes if you like it, and click on the like button. Almost finished. So a little piece here. This one will go here. And then, okay, the final piece, this one will then go here. It's the final piece. That is it. Give it some nail, and then we're done. Look at this, people. A nice box for celery, kale. It's deep enough. It's about 10 inches, so perfect for kale, lettuce, bok choy, celery, all those things I can plant in here. Vegetables that doesn't go very deep. Okay, so my viewers, we reach the end of part 1 of this video. The sun is so hot. So I'm gonna end here. The box is finished, it's ready. So in part 2 you will see me filling it up with compost, soil, and also I will transplant the vegetables in it. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button so my videos can reach a wider audience. Comment and share with your friends, your neighbor. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching again. See you in part 2 in the next video.